Hello students, today we are going to study the topic factors affecting the equilibrium. Okay, so first factor, it is the effect of what? The concentration change. Okay, if the concentration of the reactant is more, okay, what happens? The equilibrium shifts towards the forward direction. Okay, if the concentration is less of the reactants, naturally what will happen? Equilibrium will shift towards the backward direction. Okay, now if the concentration of the product is more, what happens? Equilibrium shifts in the backward direction. If the concentration of the product is less, then what happens? Equilibrium shifts in the forward direction. Okay, now second is the effect of the pressure change. Okay, what happens if the pressure is less? It favors the direction in which the number of moles are more. Suppose a reaction, okay, H2 plus I2, okay, in the equilibrium position you have what? 2HI, okay, but if here it is 3 and here it is 3, what happens in this? I said to you, if the pressure is less, what will happen? It will favor the direction. Which direction it will favor? Where the number of moles is more. Okay, so it will favor in this direction. It means in the, according to the example, in the direction of the reactants. Now, if the pressure is more, what happens? It favors the direction where the number of moles is less. So here only, suppose if the pressure is more now, what will happen? It will favor where the number of moles is less. Okay, so here you can see that because of the pressure being high or less, comparison with the number of moles, we can say about the direction of the reaction. Now, the effect of change of temperature, okay, how does it affect the equilibrium? Okay, if the reaction is exothermic, naturally low temperature will be favored. Okay, if the reaction is endothermic, what will? High temperature will be favored. Okay, now what is the effect of catalyst on equilibrium? Okay, there is no effect of catalyst in the equilibrium, okay, position or equilibrium constant. The function of catalyst is just to increase the rate of reaction, nothing to do with the equilibrium constant or the equilibrium position. So till now we have studied about the factors affecting the equilibrium. It was the concentration, temperature, pressure, isn't it? And temperature and all we have studied right now. Okay, how it is functioning we have studied, and so these all were explained by what? Le-Chatelier's principle. What does this Le-Chatelier principle says? It says that if a system is in equilibrium, okay, and is subjected to change of what? The concentration, temperature, pressure, what happens? The equilibrium shifts in the direction so that it tends to undo the effect of change. Okay, it means it will be shifted in the backward direction or the forward direction in order to compensate the whatever has been increased or decreased, like temperature, pressure or concentration. Okay, and so this was all about the Le-Chatelier principle and the factors affecting the equilibrium. Okay, so good day, take care.